What's up everyone? Welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to set on Tecno Spark Pro 2. Alright, so let's go to see how to do this. As you can see, the phone is locked with the passcode. We do this because we forgot the passcode. Sometimes it is locked with the pattern that we forgot. Okay, firstly, you have to turn off the phone by holding the power and then press the power to power off. And wait for the process of the powering off completely. Okay, and after that we have to hold the power, okay, for 1 second and another second on the volume down, and then release the power and then keep holding the volume down until you can see the recovery mode. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna count. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It just take only 6 seconds to boot into the recovery mode. Okay, so once again I want to power off the phone and repeat the step again. Okay, alright, so let's go one more time. Okay, power, volume down, release the power and keep the volume down. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's just only 6 seconds that we can boot into the recovery mode. So what are we going to do next is to format the data, so that we have to go to the option called Wipe Data Factory Reset. Okay, just press the volume down to select the option. Okay, just select the volume down to choose the option called Wipe Data Factory Reset right here, and then press the power to confirm, and then one more time just volume down and then power to confirm. Okay, it is working on erasing the data, erasing the passcode or the pattern from the phone. Okay, and after that we have to reboot the system by pressing the power, and the phone will reboot to the menu, and this may take about 5 minutes for rebooting. Alright, so that's it for how to set on Spark Pro 2. And everybody, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for the future video. And alright, I have something to talk to everyone. I want to tell my subscriber that I am Cambodian and my country is in trouble. My country got a war conflict with Thailand, and I feel very sad, and I am not happy about this, and I just want to tell everyone that Thailand started the war first to fight Cambodia. Thailand started the war to invade Cambodia. Cambodia is a small country and other sectors are lower than Thailand's. There is no reason that Cambodia tried to invade Thailand, just only Thailand. Alright, I don't want to talk about this a lot because I hope my subscriber will understand about right now the war between Cambodia and Thailand. Cambodians are very sincere, are very kind. We never try to invade someone. We never try to invade the other country because we got the past experience over 50 years ago we are in development country. We want to develop our country. We don't want any trouble. We don't want war. We just want peace to develop our country. Okay, so thank you for watching.